Tractor repair day, wife's away. Case 885, fenders. Those who have them know what they're like, so that's coming on nicely. I've got to make a special comment on this little arc welder. Hitbox Arc 200D Mini, up off eBay for under £50. Nice bit of kit for those people that don't do lots of welding but just do little tack jobs, agricultural sort of repairs on the cuff. Good job. Rate the arc welder. Tractor repair day part 2, wife's away. This is another thing I'd recommend in between coats, particularly if you've just sanded down, get the dust off. This is fast panel wipe degreaser and silica remover. It's on eBay, it's a stayer product. Wipe it on with a bit of cloth and essentially you'll just get rid of all the dust and anything which will cause you problems with another coat. This is just the etch coat, you can see nice and smooth. Recommend this product. Have a look at it. Good luck. As it's silicone, it just tends to evaporate off. So you get a nice clean panel before your next coat to save the sanding down afterwards. There you go.
With this, it's Monaco.